Hey guys, this is Anthony Morganti. I am MrPhotographer.com. Do you like taking pictures with your iPhone? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 6 tips and tricks that will help you take better photos with your iPhone. Tip number 1. Before you open your phone app, go to your phone settings, down to camera. Make sure the grid is turned on. When your camera is open, this will put a rule of thirds grid overlay on your display. The overlay helps you make better compositions. The idea is that you put your subject or any points of interest at any of the 4 points where the lines intersect. Better compositions make better photos. Tip number 2. A simple tool that a lot of iPhone users might not know about is the choice menu that pops up from the camera button. To do this, simply press and hold the camera icon. This allows you to immediately jump into portrait mode, scan a QR code, record a video, or take a selfie. Tip number 3. To focus on a specific subject, simply tap on your screen and the phone will focus on that point. Immediately after you do that, drag your finger up or down to adjust the exposure. If needed, you could lock the focus and exposure. Tap and hold your focal point until you see the AEAF lock banner at the top of the screen. You can still adjust the exposure by dragging your finger up and down. Tap the shutter button when you're ready to take the picture. To unlock focus and exposure and return to normal operations, simply tap anywhere on the screen. Tip number 4. To take a burst of photos, press and hold the shutter or volume button. You'll notice the camera firing off a burst of photos. Hold it until you think you took enough. To review and select a photo from your burst of photos, go to your photos, tap on select, scroll through and tap on the photos you want to keep, tap done, then choose whether you'd like to keep only the photos you selected or all of them. Tip number 5. Sometimes pressing the shutter button on your phone will cause your phone to move during the exposure, inducing blur. To avoid this, use timer mode. Tap the timer button, choose 3 seconds or 10, then compose your photo and press the shutter. The timer will count down before taking the image, allowing you to make sure the phone is perfectly still. Tip number 6. After you take an iPhone picture you're satisfied with, editing is just as important on an iPhone as it is with a camera. To edit any photo, open the photo and click on the Edit button. Here you'll find a wide array of editing features such as adjusting exposure, brightness, contrast, color, cropping, and much more. That's it. I hope at least one of those tips helps you to take better photos with your iPhone. Thank you everyone who watches my videos. I really do appreciate it. If you could do me a favor, if you could go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell so you get updates. Also like and share this video. Also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is @Anthony Morganti. I'll talk to you guys soon.